Alright, so 3G, 3 or 4 bars. Center of town, trying to call somebody. Second I call, no 3G. I'm connected, no ring. No ring, nothing. 2 bars, no 3G. Second I hit end call, I suddenly have 3G again. And 3 or 4 bars with 3G, 5 bars, 3G. If I call again. Speaker. Is a connection?
Please your message for
Nothing. End call, I'm back to 3G. Call again. No 3G, back to 2 bars.
Please leave your message for
Please leave a message. End call, 3G again. Call again. Speaker. 3G's bye-bye. There's a connected. Nothing. No ring, no nothing. Just the counting clock. No ring. 20 seconds, no ring. End call. Back to 3G. Try again. Speaker. Sorry, can't get the speaker on. But no 3G.
Record your message after the tone. To send a numeric page, press 5.
End call. Back to 3G. Second I end the call. And back to 4 bars. Try again.
Please leave your message for
End call. Back to 3G. That's the deal. This happens all the time, every day. Multiple calls.